go. Okay, girly girl. Come on. Come on. No, everybody was out here looking at you earlier. There you go. Come on.
Yay, she did it. Just one thing.
Go sneeze.
Why's there so much water in that bucket?
Why is there water? Oh, because it's next to your water bucket. That's
Spill?
right. Huh?
You spilled it?
Yep. Sneeze. One sneeze, girls. Yep. I'm getting this ready for your cousins. There you go. Need an extra little bite. Go over there where all the food is. That'd help. That'd be delicious.
He was not happy about getting disturbed.
Gotta get the new. They used up all their ash too.
What? Yes. Got to get some more out of the fire bucket.
I looked for a new galvanized pan. Stand on the back. Oh.
No, because we need to get a sidecar. Come on, let's go.
Come on, Goldie. Come on. You can do it. There you go. On your side there. That's my blind spot. Come on. Do your workout. Left right, left right, left right, left right. Hi, Audie. I love how your hair goes like Trump's. Your hair, like she has hair.
The feathers.
Yes, let me do that again. You got the Trump dude going on. Oh my goodness.
Right there in front of everybody.
Hold your horses. Come on. Come at a bad time?
You should have called first.
Yeah. If the coops are rocking, don't come on up and... There you go. Oh gosh, ducks have been here.
Those ducks sure do make the water muddy.
I think they're doing them a favor. I think everybody likes it. Well, hello, chicken. Bobby.
All right, 50-50.
There you go, beauty boy. Got some babies of your own kind. So excited. You got spots on your comb, dude. Yes, you do.
So chickens are part of our permaculture practices here. So you can see the netting around these guys, and all of the coops are portable. So we just periodically move them, and they fertilize a new section of the pasture.
Look at green grass. We can move them.
Yep, that's the first place the grass turns green. Is where the chickens have been.
Green.
Yep, from last season.
Just about will let me pet him. And he says no.
Come here, you can pet me.
Wahaha. Your feathers are not as soft.
My feathers aren't as soft.